Better college student.
It
too,
did actually.
So. All right, we'll leave before Brandon. So go ahead and hit all the OKs to the 9 million error messages it's going to throw up. And you're set. All right, let's head on out. So you're headed down towards that gaggle of cones down there. All right. But anymore, trades are in demand. So you know you don't have to necessarily go to college to get a trade.
That's true.
And I can tell you, one of the richest guys I've met. Go ahead and get it into second gear. We'll just be in second gear. I didn't mention that to the group.
Okay.
I was gonna say one of the most wealthiest guys I knew was a welder for Exxon.
You make a lot of money there, right?
Oh yeah, and just leave the clutch out. Just drive the
clutch out. Right.
Yeah, as long as you're not stopping. So this is the slalom.
So I go on the outside?
Nope, it points the way you need to go.
Oh, okay.
Here you go. Oh yeah, he made enough money and he loved his wife to death that he lost money letting her have her own little nursing home in their house.
Wait,
yeah.
what?
Oh yeah, yeah. I'll so
You'll have
keep
to
going.
repeat that.
Yeah, go ahead and build up speed. So he built an add-on wing at his house, so that his wife, who was a nurse, which is all you need for a nursing home, could have a 6-person nursing home and take care of patients.
Oh, I see.
And I mean, he did the math on it, but he was going to lose money for the first 10 years that it was open until they paid off the extension and everything.
Yeah.
But yeah, he's like, yep, she's just hemorrhaging money from me, but you know what? I love her and she loves me back, so that's worth it. Yep. And he still had money to buy everything else. That's the thing. Is you look at him complain about that, but he still had money to buy everything else. So the boat, the car, the swimming pool, you know.
Yeah.
He spent a lot of money on that house. I think the swimming pool they put in was $500,000. He didn't bat an eye. Oh yeah, with all the yard work they had to do to make it fit.
Yeah.
Yep, and all he did was sit there and weld all day.
That's pretty crazy.
But they were critical welds, so they were for pipelines and oil. So.
Yeah. I wasn't in dangerous conditions.
Nope. He works in a shop. Okay, so now you're in sport mode.
Oh, you switched me already?
I did.
All right.
Those are our 3 laps.
Okay.
So you got to feel for the course. Now let's see if you feel any difference in the car.
Let's see. That felt a little stiffer there, actually.
Well, it didn't change much. It's real subtle what it changes in sport mode.
Really?
Yeah.
Maybe it's me, then maybe I just took it a little faster.
Well, and now I was going to say, now I quit talking, so you're focused a little more on driving.
Yeah, there's that. Oh, wait, not too fast, sorry.
You're all right. You're here to have an enjoyable time. I try to accommodate.
Yeah.
So does the steering feel any different?
Steering,
Or the gas pedal?
Not sure.
Okay. We'll just keep doing. That's our second in sport.
Okay.
So we got one more.
All right.
Okay, so now you're in track mode. Does it feel any different at all?
I'm not sure
in
what I'm
track
looking
mode?
for, actually.
What's that?
I'm not sure what I'm looking for.
Well, how does the steering feel?
Steering didn't feel that different. For some reason, the gas felt a little different.
So the gas pedal is different. So they changed the way it responds. So it responds quicker to either you pushing it or you letting go.
Okay.
And then the steering, they actually take some of the steering assist out.
Let's see. So it should feel looser?
So no, it should feel tight.
Tight.
Yep, like it takes more effort to turn the wheel.
Oh, really?
Yep. And then obviously it cranked up the dampeners. That's why we're bouncing a little more.
Yeah. Yeah.
So the car is more planted. It keeps the wheels on the ground longer.
Are we taking these corners too slow?
No, you're doing all right. You're taking them at your pace, and you're consistent. That's all I'm looking for.
All right.
Is consistency. I haven't had to tell you to slow down, so.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're gonna jump off the cliff here. We're gonna go back to normal.
All right.
feel the difference as you turn the wheel? Does it feel softer?
Softer.
Like it requires less effort to turn the wheel?
It feels stiffer to me. That's so weird.
Okay.
Yeah.
Just go ahead and peel off here, park the car back where we started. So what it changes is the throttle sensitivity, the steering feedback, and then in track mode you get the sport. Go ahead and pull all the way up to the tent. Yeah, just back where we got it from. Which we'll talk as a group. I'll point it out.
Okay.
And again, it's how often do you drive a car and feel for this stuff, right?
Yeah.
So
yeah.
you can leave it running. It shouldn't roll away.
Okay.
Famous last words.
Thank you.
You're welcome.